How to use Creditbook app आज की in this video we will discuss about how to use Creditbook app and mobile, how to use Creditbook app, how you can store your business detail, how you grow your business from this application. This is a very helpful application I will show in this video, so watch the complete video. If the people get loan from your shop, you can also store your all record your prices, and the people can pay from this app, and through this app they can pay with Creditbook app. So here we'll see also the Creditbook app digital kata. So this is the satisfies data safety and much more. Creditbook app आपके शॉप बिजनेस का डिजिटल खाता भी हिसाब. So here we will search about this app in Chrome browser. When we search here uh, how to use Creditbook app Creditbook app, so we will get all the detail here. First of all, it is very easy to use it. So this is the app where you can create a Creditbook app. This is the best app, Creditbook.pk. So here you see we believe that the finance for every let's have to grow your business. This is the very best application for grow your business. So first of all, download it. When you download it, manage your business onto the go. Instant reconciliation, maintain your leader rigidity, and recognize your account automatically. Keep your data 100% safe and secure, and backup. Your data is always backup secure and can be easily recalled. And get paid faster. Schedule and send free payment reminder to reduce the likelihood of bad rebate. So this is the very best option in this Creditbook app, where you can also send your reminder of loan. When the people get a loan from your shop, they get a loanable things from your shop. So then how you can do that and sign up for a free login grid and cash transaction, get paid 3x faster, expand your business. So you can grow your business with this scaling impact across the country. This is the 40 plus town city and 2.4 transaction every month. 10x year on growth, customer satisfaction 98%, or is grateful for a status business. So what you need to do there, first of all, download it from Play Store, then give the number of your phone and much detail. So here we can see that in this app, so where you see of the what is your language, English, Urdu, in any mature. So here you can see your business and store data backup and much more of free SMS WhatsApp reminders से. So this is the great Creditbook. डाउनलोड करके आसानी से हिसाब किताब रखे. Creditbook वॉलेट से कनेक्ट करिए पैसा या जेज कैश और पाए खूब सहारे. Or yes, you can also create a merchant, and please sign up for that. You can easily sign up it means it is very easy to use. You can grow your business as 3x faster. So here you about us. When we click about us, so all the detail of Creditbook launch a 2019 with a single aim to improve the finance of the customer of small medium and business across Pakistan, starting with a simple digital leader. And the company has been building secure after of million of business to manage their greater selling expense cycle. So all job openings, circularity, empathy, and postman another basis for action community openly judgment or team. Here the team is this, and this is a team of this. And you can also, when you click download now, so you can now download from Play Store very easily. So here you can see also the 1 million plus downloader. 4.4 is the review, a 30 MB application. So you can also use it very easy. It does not need any other information. So it just need your number, your name, and much more. You can add your addresses. We you can do Creditbook का इस्तेमाल करे से करे. मतलब इसका इस्तेमाल किया है. Creditbook, go to Play Store and download and then how to use Creditbook app. So put your number and get OTP one time. So enter the OTP, then customer supplier, contact with customer supplier, and a loan cash enter when you want to enter the do. So then what you can do, muft SMS WhatsApp payment reminder also Incredible app अभी डाउनलोड करो और तबाही मचा दे अपने बिजनेस में. सो ग्रेट टू सी.